come across this staircase, and on first viewing of this staircase I'm thinking, wow, this is really great. You know, really good handrails that stick past here, got the return that comes down, the tactile indicators, fantastic luminance contrast. These are the discrete stainless steel type, and it's also in between the accessible path of travel. So the TGSIs are installed basically 50mm off down here, off the handrail, because nobody walks there or could walk there, and they're positioned between this handrail and that handrail, which is what we would determine as the accessible path of travel. But there's a problem with this stair nosing, this stair edging, or stair trims, depending on how you refer to it. Can you see how this is black? It's very, very dirty at the moment. We'll go over here. It's black. It's basically almost an identical luminance contrast, that is the light reflecting off this surface to that of another, and in this case it is the luminance contrast between the stair nosing and the going here. The going is the flat part of the stair tread that then goes into the riser, which we call the step. So this stair nosing is non-conforming because it doesn't supply sufficient luminance contrast from this surface to that surface. So what that means is that a person that's coming down this stairway, it's very, very hard to determine where the edge is. So this is non-conforming, and unfortunately it was probably approved when the building was done, which is lacking a little bit of insight from the building surveyor or whoever approved this work, because it is very clear under section D 3.8 that you must provide accessible means into a building, and this is not accessible. This is basically dangerous. Whilst it's good that it's got this 10mm turn down, that's fantastic, because can you see how we've got this line that goes up the stairs? Look at that. Now that's why we have that 10mm turn down. That's why it's there, so to show the difference between the actual going and the riser, so that we know, if we can locate a person who has low vision can see, yes, using the remaining sight that they have, that there is a contrast between here and the riser, then determining that that is the stair edge. So that's really safe, but unfortunately the top part of the stair, the edging on the going, is non-conforming and is not fit for purpose. And this is an apartment building, so there isn't an amount of duty of care that's required. So hopefully this can be fixed and retained, because as it stands, the stair nosing itself, while we're going up the stair like this, or coming down it, serves very to little or no purpose at all as it relates to determining the contrast of where the stair edge is.